Hello and welcome everyone to this video tutorial. Today in this video tutorial, you will learn how to list users in PostgreSQL. So if you have ever wondered who is lurking in your database, stick around. First thing first, you need to have a PostgreSQL installed and running on your system. If you haven't done that yet, check out our previous video on how to install PostgreSQL. Now open your terminal or command prompt to access PostgreSQL. Type a command PSSQL --U Postgres. This command lets you log in as the Postgres super user. You might be prompted for password, so make sure you have that password and enter the password. Now that you are in, listing user is a breeze. Simply type /du and hit enter. You will see a list of users along with their roles and other attributes. This list provides a comprehensive view of who has access to your database and what permission they have. Let's break down the output columns. Role name. This is the username. List of roles. Roles assigned to this user. Member of, group the user is part of, can log in, indicates if the user can log in, connection limit, maximum number of concurrent connections the user can have, and so on. Done with your user listing. To exit PostgreSQL, simple type /q and hit enter. And just like that, you are out. Listing user in PostgreSQL is straightforward once you know the steps. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more PostgreSQL tutorials. Thank you.